Listen, so even if you are using the best trading strategy in the world, if they want to take your money, they will take it easily. So yeah, this is my latest trades. I lost this one. And not because my strategy wasn't working perfectly. No, there was something happening uh, behind the scenes with these trading platforms. So let me just open the first trade. This one is going up. There is an uptrend trend taking place. As usual, I'm using my own strategy. I'm trying to turn this $10 into $1,000 or more. Guys, the strategy that I use here is explained in the course in the description of this video. Uh, the students who already have access to my course, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There's some updates to the strategy. There's some updates to the way we use the MACD indicator. Now we are using the 20 period, the 20 fast period. So the course is on our website, binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. So as I was saying, you need to be careful. All right. Even if you are using the best strategy in the world, don't trust everything you see with these trading apps or trading platforms. And if you are like a small trader and just starting out, please understand that growing a small capital with like 100 or less than $1,000, even with $5,000, you are considered small. But if you are starting out with $1,000 and less, yeah, this is the first win. Let me just take a look. I guess the market will keep going up. Yeah, yeah. The market will keep going up because, yeah. So I'm putting everything. Let's put $18. Let's put $18. Let's go $18. Let's go up. Great. So, when starting out as a small trader and you are interested in growing a small capital account through like day trading, particularly in binary options, since I'm trading here binary options, if you are interested in starting a binary options trading career, this requires a well thought out approach, discipline, and a very careful risk management. You must have a good strategy. You must have a not a an advanced understanding of the markets. Yeah, $15. Now we are at 34. I guess I will put like 33. Leave $1 there. I guess we should go up. Yeah, of course. The market will continue going up. That's what I'm doing here. I would go. Yeah. So this, also this one. I lost this one because, yeah. As I was saying, not just because I mispredicted the trend. There was manipulation. I studied this position or that position that I lost, and I found out that I was missing a lot by not understanding the market and by not comparing this trading app, this trading market from IQ option with another trading app like TradingView. Now I compare it all the time. I keep an open tab with like TradingView or some reliable uh, platform that shows me what is exactly happening in the Euro USD market. So here I'm trading OTC, I understand, but I'm experienced enough to know when to quit. So that's what you need to do when starting, especially binary options. It's high risk instruments. Yeah, because it's the outcome is like a simple yes or no. You either make it or you don't. You win or you lose. So it's essential to approach this trading style, the binary option style, and the trading style, the day trading style, cautiously to avoid large losses. Let me take this third win. Yeah. Now, yeah, we are at $62. Great. I guess. Yeah. Now it's becoming clear. Oh, no. There's reversal taking place here. So this one is also, yeah, this one's changed everything last trading session when I lost that $10. All right, great. I guess we will put $60 there. Or should we put, just leave it? You know what? I'm sure that the market is going down. I'm sure that the next trade is going down. So I'm putting $60 and I'm going down. Yeah. So when starting out, guys, when starting with just a small capital, please start small and focus on risk management at the beginning, because when starting, it's easier to lose money. And when you get more experience, you will be more comfortable and more sure about your trading strategy and about your decisions. So at the beginning, start small, focus on risk management. Just risk only a small percentage of your account. So when you have a small account like $100 or even like $500, risking too much per trade can quickly lead to large losses. So a general rule is to risk no more than 1 or 2% of your capital on each trade. So for example, if you have $500, risk only 5 or $10 of from that $500. Also, the the position sizing is important. Let me just check real quick. I guess let's put $100. Let's go up. Yeah, the market will continue the previous trend. Will go up again. So we went down the last trade. This one is going up 100%. So as I was saying, your position sizing, guys, determine the size of your trades based on your risk tolerance, right? Not only your account or how much you have, but on your risk tolerance. Keep the trade size small, especially at the beginning, so you can survive a series of losing trades. Like with $500, if you invest just $5, this means you will have like 100 trades to lose. All right, so 100 trades and 100 losing trades. So this will have a relation with your risk management plan. So keep the trade size small. This way you survive a lot of losses and still have capital left to continue trading and to correct yourself, correct your strategy, and try another strategy. Even if I'm not advising you to use your real money if you don't have a solid trading strategy. So at the beginning, you must have a solid trading strategy in order to trade with real money and real capital. So at the beginning, just adopt a trading strategy, test it, and keep testing it on demo account. Practice and educate yourself. Once you feel comfortable enough, then you can start trading with real money. Yeah, yeah. Um, I guess yeah. This was clear and beautiful. I guess we still have another uptrend. I guess we should go another high position or another call. Let's put this time. Let's put $200. Yeah, let's put $200 and let's go up. Yeah, we go up. Just give me a second here. I will wait for it. Yeah, the next minute. As you can see, the expiration time here, I'm using the 1 minute expiration time. Yeah. So, as I was saying, guys, when starting with trading with a small capital, your first goal is to preserve your capital. Small wins add up over time, and just avoid large losses because it's crucial to stay in the game if you are not losing too much. If you are keeping some of your capital or a lot of your capital saving it. This way you will have a lot of trades to try. Also use a proven strategy with high win rates. Don't just watch YouTube videos and think that this strategy is perfect. I'm going to make millions with it, and then you adopt it and stick to it. No, just uh, you must be sure. You must test it on demo account, practice it, keep practicing using this strategy. And once you are 100% and you trust this strategy, then you can try to trade with real money. Just at the beginning, start small. So the strategy must have technical analysis, um, especially binary option trading. Often, this style of trading often focuses on short-term price movements. Just yeah, I guess now we should go there. As I was saying, binary option trading focuses on short-term price movements. So you must have a solid technical analysis strategy. It's essential. So use indicators like moving averages, RSI, parabolic SAR, MACD, um, Bollinger Bands. Like keep experiencing different technical analysis indicators in order to find your way in your the strategy that fits you. Ensure you are familiar with support and resistance levels, or just to identify the entry and exist points. So price action movement is also a key factor to become a profitable trader. So focus also on price action movement, resistance levels, support levels, exit points, entry points. You must have a general understanding of all this in order to start trading. Don't trade with real money until you feel like you are advanced in trading. You have enough experience to trade with real money. So also when using choosing a strategy, there is like trend following and reversal strategies. The trend following strategies involve identifying the overall direction of the market and placing trades in line with the trends. This is yeah less useful when it comes to binary options, because binary options you trade each candle separately. And I guess we'll open the last trade. Let's put this down $500. Yeah, and let's just risk it. We are already at $700. Let's go up. Clearly, it's going up. I guess this is the last trade. Yeah, I guess this is the last trade. Hope you learned something today. Guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please be careful when using your real money. Please educate yourself. Trade on demo account. Keep trying different strategies, trying different technical indicators, and perhaps with time you'll be experienced enough to trade with real money and be profitable. So please be careful when trading binary options. Yeah, we are at $1,000 and we made it. Great.